Yes,
Then
yes.
after the interview round, I think out of 11 or 12 members, 7 members was selected for the final shortlisting. And the shortlisting was after 15 to 16 number was our interview date, and result came in the last month of November, I think, as far as I can recall.
Okay, okay. Then after interview, it was medical round.
No. Medical was around after the we got a shortlist. We got a final offer shortlisted for company. Then 1-2 months after that, we got email that you have to go for medical round.
Okay, okay.
And
So,
medical round is very flexible, I think. Like I was in UP at that time, so L&T team it has collaborated with Medi Plus. I think one startup is there,
yes,
Mediclaim, Medi
yes,
Plus.
yes.
So from that I got the mail that my nearest region was Prayagraj. So I got one of the hospital for testing all. So I reached the hospital in the morning and I showed them my email that I have got this mail, and they were knowing that I am from L&T. तो
Okay.
उसके बाद मेरा सारा टेस्ट हुआ, ECG, आई टेस्ट, वेट टेस्ट, ब्लड टेस्ट, यूरिन टेस्ट, सारे टेस्ट हुए और फिर इन 1 hour आई थिंक ऑल द टेस्ट वर डन. तो फिर उन्होंने बोला यू कैन लीव नाउ.
ओके, सो मेजर क्राइटेरिया क्या रहता है? लाइक एलिमिनेशन हो सकता है मेडिकल के बेस पे, या बस रूटीन चेकअप?
आई थिंक इट्स मोर और लेस रूटीन चेकअप है. आप मतलब साइट पे खड़े होने के लिए आप प्रॉपर स्टैंड कर पाएंगे कि नहीं वहाँ पे, आपकी हेल्थ
यस,
बहुत ज्यादा कोई सीरियस बीमारी तो नहीं है आपको, वैसा कुछ होना
यस,
चाहिए.
यस, यस.
अदरवाइज वैसा कुछ नहीं है क्राइटेरिया कि आप रिजेक्ट हो सकते हैं.
Okay, okay. And then after
हाँ.
interview, what will be the procedure for the next phase? Like
आफ्टर
what was the
इंटरव्यू
next phase
या
of
जस्ट
process?
after interview you have to wait for 2-3 weeks for the results. After results were out, company will send you one LOI, letter of intent. You have to sign that, and that you are agreeing the offer letter from L&T company, and post it back to L&T, and
Okay.
then 2-3 months nothing will happen. In the I think month of L&T process started again, like offer letter, welcome kit, onboarding process. They started again.
Okay,
May, I
so
think last week of May, I got that onboarding process will start.
okay,
This is
okay. So
for on
L&T,
campus, for off campus.
yes, yes, yes. So L&T also provide
Yeah,
a welcome kit for GT
yeah,
for the
yeah.
core
We are not
branches
expecting
also.
about that, but
Yes, yes. Because
yeah,
for
yeah.
IT sector
And I think this was
we can expect that, but for core branches like civil, mechanical, electrical, we cannot expect. So tell something about.
yeah. Actually, this was the scenario 2-3 years back, but from this year, I think L&T has started giving a good welcome kit. It contains a water bottle, diary, pen, and 2-3 more things were there. And we were surprised that L&T is giving welcome kit, but it was good welcome kit. And one bag will also be given,
Okay,
Wildcraft
with
bag.
L&T logo.
Yeah, with L&T logo.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay. And then after offering, is there any orientation plan?
yeah. Orientation is like in L&T, people used to call it a honeymoon period.
Yes, yes.
Because in during this 10 to 14 days you will be exposed to different big metropolitan cities, like
Okay,
we first went to Chennai, so for our first orientation, for L&T orientation, not IC
okay,
specific.
okay.
So we went to Chennai. There we stayed in a 5-star hotel provided by L&T for 4-5 days. The hotel was awesome, and
Okay,
swimming pool on the top of that. And but we didn't enjoy much because was like 9 to 5, 9 to 8 some days. So we get completely exhausted after coming from the orientation, and
okay.
then we eat. And the food they serve in the morning, like some waiter will come to your room, they knock at 6 a.m. or 6:30 a.m. for breakfast, and you have to eat that breakfast by 7:15 to ground for bus. Bus will start before 7:30 a.m. You have to
Yeah.
reach the L&T HQ in Chennai for orientation. Then there you will be having orientation program from 9 to I think 6 or 7 o'clock. many members will come and give a lecture about L&T, about their domain specific.
Okay.
And one thing I will be telling about that L&T headquarters, that there is a canteen in L&T headquarters
Okay.
that serves around 600 to 700 people. Canteen was a huge canteen, and it
Okay.
serves only vegetarian food. And
Okay.
yeah, food was also very good in that canteen.
Okay.
That
Okay.
was a good thing about HQ.
Okay. Okay. And
Yeah, and
then
after that, I think we went to Mumbai for our IC orientation. IC means independent company. Like L&T is a group, na? So
yes,
it has
yes, yes.
different independent companies.
Okay.
I was allotted a transportation IC, and
Okay.
so transportation IC. For that, we went to Mumbai.
Okay.
From
Okay.
there, only people separated for different IC. People got Farida, Sur, Bangalore, like that. People separated from there only.
Okay, so it is
Different IC.
also like that people are asking that if we get the interview mail from this IC, then we also post it on that IC, or it may be different during the posting.
No, no, no. If suppose you are getting mail from transportation IC,
Okay,
then you will be posted anywhere in India where the work related to transportation, like highway or bridges, is going on.
okay,
So
okay,
no, IC will not be changed at the time
okay,
of posting.
okay, okay. And then
Yeah.
after it, you will onboarding process. Yes.
First Chennai, then Mumbai. Company will give you tickets from Chennai to Mumbai. All the
Okay,
people will moving
and what
from
was the
Chennai to Mumbai.
different time between the onboarding and orientation? Like आपका orientation complete हुआ, then आपको onboarding के लिए जाएगा, तो बहुत सारे लोगों को क्वेश्चन ये भी है कि हमको बीच में घर आने का टाइम मिलता है या नहीं मिलता है, या वहीं से डायरेक्ट, मतलब
ना
क्या
ना,
कैसे रहता
ये जैसे हम लोग का चेन्नई में ओरिएंटेशन कंप्लीट हुआ, फिर हम
है?
लोग को मुंबई में जाना था।
हम्म।
मुंबई के बाद डायरेक्टली एक ज्वाइनिंग टाइम होता है, ज्वाइनिंग डेट होती है, उस डेट को
ओके,
आपको रीच करना है।
ओके,
उसके बाद आप अपने प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर से पूछ के कुछ दिन के लिए जा सकते हैं, बट ज्वाइनिंग डेट को आपको वहाँ सबको पहुंचना पड़ता है अपनी साइट पर। एज फार एज आई नो, सारे फ्रेंड्स को मेरे सबको अपना ज्वाइनिंग डेट मिलता है। हम लोग को 11th ऑफ जुलाई मिला था
ओके,
ज्वाइनिंग
ओके,
डेट, और हम लोग 10th जुलाई को पहुंच गए थे।
ओके, ओके।
ज्वाइनिंग
एंड
डेट को
एट
आपको पहुंचना है। जैसे कुछ लोग का इश्यू रहता है कि जैसे किसी किसी का एग्जाम सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स नहीं कंप्लीट हुए थे, तो
यस, यस,
उन्होंने एचआर से बात की थी, तो उनका एक्सटेंशन मिल गया था कुछ। आपको उसके
ओके।
लिए एचआर से बात करना पड़ेगा, कुछ मिल जाएगा।
And one major question is about the girls, that is L&T is good for the girls because the people in core branch ना सभी को बस लड़के दिखते हैं, तो उतना मतलब वो नहीं आ पाता गर्ल्स कौन कि हम भी उस फील्ड में काम कर सकते हैं नहीं, क्योंकि मेजरली ऐसा ही होता है, तो उसके बारे में आप कुछ बताओ।
एक्चुअली अब ये जो है, अब एल इसको भी चेंज कर रहा है थिंकिंग कि कंस्ट्रक्शन फील्ड इज ओनली फॉर बॉयज। एल अब से गर्ल्स का रिक्रूटमेंट बढ़ा रहा है फॉर जेंडर डाइवर्सिटी। आई थिंक दिस ईयर आफ्टर 2-3 years L&T selected 2-3 girls from my college only. So
ओके,
L&T is hiring girls, but it depends on site specific. Like for my project, there is not a single girl in my project, but in various other projects, girls are posted, and time frame like flexible. They can come a little late, but they can also leave early. For boys, it will be 3-4 more hours will be, and for girls, they can leave by 5:30-6, depending upon their side. It is flexible for girls.
everyone is saying L&T select only boys. Chances of selecting girls are less.
No, this is wrong. Actually, I have told you na, from my college, L&T selected 2 girls out of 3 girls that are interviewed. 2 girls were selected for L&T.
Yes, yes.
As I have also told you that L&T is also going for gender diversity.
Okay,
So it's not like that girls will not be selected. They have also ample chance of being selected.
okay.